Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and how it's shaping our lives. Today, we're discussing something incredibly important. AI isn't human, but storytelling is. Stay tuned to learn how storytelling can humanize AI-generated content and make your learning experiences unforgettable. AI is changing the world at an astonishing pace. From automating workflows to creating content, there's almost no limit to what AI can do. It's like living in a sci-fi movie, right? But with all these advancements, a lot of us are left wondering, what about our jobs? It's not going to be long before ChatGPT takes our jobs, my friend said. Well, that's a valid concern. If AI can do things faster and better, why do we even need humans? But let's take a step back and explore this. While AI can definitely handle a lot of tasks, like writing course outlines or even creating videos, there are some things that only we, as humans, can do best. One of these is storytelling. Storytelling is perhaps the most human of all activities. Our brains are wired to understand the world through stories. And that's why storytelling has made a massive comeback in training and education. When you tell someone why something is important, that's informational. But when you frame it as a story that connects to their lives, it creates real neural change. People remember stories. So, how can storytelling humanize AI-generated content? First, create emotional connections. AI-generated content can often feel dry and sanitized. Stories evoke emotions, empathy, excitement, even frustration. Emotions make the learning experiences stick. Next, highlight real-world applications. AI can explain concepts, but stories bridge the gap between theories and real-world use. Think about sharing your own experiences. When learners hear real scenarios where things went right or wrong, they can better relate and prepare. And finally, build trust. Trust is fundamental in any learning experience. Share authentic, relatable stories where you've faced problems similar to those learners might encounter. This not only makes the content meaningful, but also positions you as a trustworthy guide in their learning journey. Using AI-generated content doesn't mean we have to throw out everything that makes our training meaningful. Instead, let AI handle the mundane tasks and use the extra time to add storytelling elements to your content. It's natural to be skeptical about AI taking over parts of our job. After all, it's a big shift. But remember, AI isn't here to replace us. It's here to help us focus on what we do best, creating meaningful and enjoyable training experiences. Want to dive deeper into humanizing AI-generated content with storytelling? Join me at the ATD International Conference and Expo in New Orleans from May 19th to 22nd, 2024. I'll be hosting a session called If You Give a Robot a Story, Humanizing AI-Generated Content. I promise, it's going to be an eye-opener. If you enjoyed today's video, please smash that like button and subscribe for more amazing AI insights. I'm constantly working to improve our content, and I'd love to hear your thoughts and suggestions. Your support means the world to me.